First 5 questions of this paper have been a good kind of review of the fundamental aspects of maths that you would have been familiar with from GCSE, but from question 6 onwards the pace starts to ramp up a little bit, and that starts here with a question which is going to require you to take this expression here, x squared minus 6x plus 14, and use completing the square to transform it into vertex form. So completing the square then, remember, if we've got our expression here, x squared minus 6x plus 14, you're going to take the middle term here, minus x, and you're going to take the coefficient of the term, i.e. negative 6. So you've got x squared minus 6x. You're going to take the coefficient of x, halve it to give you negative 3, and square it, and then that gives you 9. So you're going to add 9 to this section here. Now you can't just add 9 to one side of an equation because that it wouldn't stay balanced. So you're going to add 9, and then you've got to take that 9 away again, and you've still got the plus 14 here. Now, why do we have this plus 9 minus 9? Well, the reason is now this part of the expression we can actually rewrite, because you should recognise this as a perfect square. And the whole rationale for taking the coefficient of x here, halving it, squaring it, and add it to the first two terms here, is that we'll always be able to complete the square. So we can express this here as x minus 3 squared, and then we've got the minus 9 plus 14, which is going to give us plus 5. This is now in vertex form. So remember, in general, we've got the vertex form up here, and the coordinates of the vertex will always be h, k. So in part B it says hence, which means you should really be referring to your answer in part A, or otherwise, i.e. there are other ways of doing it, write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with equation. So we've got the same equation here, so we've already completed the square and got it in vertex form. So we said here the coordinates would be hk. If this is our vertex form, the coordinates will be 3 and 5.